Hello and welcome to the Interprefy Connect interface walkthrough. This video will show you why Interprefy Connect is the best solution for collaborative roundtable meeting style events. In the meetings with no formal hosts, where each participant decides when to speak themselves, this interface will allow the speakers to communicate freely by having the same speaking rights, preferably waiting to share their thoughts till after the current participant finishes their speech. There is no hard limit on the number of speakers sending audio and video simultaneously. However, it is recommended not to exceed 15 participants, since having many simultaneous video streams in high resolution might harm performance due to the high CPU load on end-user devices. Imagine that you're an attendee. Once you join the meeting, you'll first select the language you'd like to listen to. This action will enable an auto volume switch. The volume is automatically adjusted between the interpreting channel and the floor when this switch is on. So if you selected Spanish as a language of your preference, you'd only hear Spanish-speaking participants or interpreters. Suppose you would like to manually adjust the incoming sound of both the interpretation and the participants' channel. In that case, you can do that by turning the auto volume off and using the orange and blue bars on the interface. This interface is built for users connecting directly to the Interprefy platform and using it as a meeting spot. So added features allow you to control your microphone, camera, and screen share. Since the outgoing and incoming video resolutions are set to high by default, in case of limited bandwidth, each user can change to low by using an on-page drop list in the top right-hand corner of the video container. Of course, access to the full screen interface will provide you with a better view of all participants, both in high or low resolution. 3 chat options are available to communicate with other participants and the remote support team. The event chat is a public chat visible and accessible to all platform users. On the other hand, private chat allows you to connect directly with other participants. Nevertheless, if needed, there is a possibility of limiting this chat's access in the event management setup, which is also the case with the event chat. If the technical team is available, the remote support help chat will be active and in blue. If not, the button will be grayed out. Use this chat if you ever have platform issues. Our technical team will do their best to help you resolve those issues. Or you can try fixing the problem yourself by clicking on the Restart All Lines button, which is a soft refresh that will disconnect you briefly and get you back in a split second, hopefully resolving your problem. So here you go. If you want a reliable and comfortable interface for types of meetings such as brainstorming session, forums, panels, and webinars, Interprefy Connect is a perfect solution for you. Thanks for watching.